So Magnetite is a window insulating panel that insulates your existing window without having to replace that existing window. It has an extrusion that is actually magnetic, hence the name magnetite, so that it magnetically seals to the inside frame of your window. So the first step would be where we physically come out to the location and we look at the type of windows that the customer has so that we understand how those windows typically function on a day-to-day basis. Then we'll take our measurements on the existing window. Once we have those measurements, then we send that back to the factory where we custom make each one of those windows to fit that particular window. And then on the final visit, it's essentially just installing the window. Essentially what we do is we install a subframe that has a Celtec frame board on the inside with a galvanized steel banding on the face of that. And because that's galvanized steel, that allows our magnetic panel to stick to that interior mount. Typically, the cost of our product comes in significantly less than the cost of traditional window replacement. Our product basically fulfills that need of replacing the window and improving the thermal performance of the window without replacing it. Magnetite can be installed in pretty much any application, whether it's residential, commercial, industrial. And it's not limited to the size of the windows to a certain extent. We can install it on windows that are as big as, say, 6 feet by 10 feet. That would be a really big panel. As well, we can do odd shapes and round edges as well with the magnetite. The top 4 benefits with the magnetite insulating panel would be, first, the thermal improvement on the existing window. Second, the sound attenuation, so the reduction of existing sound coming through the window. The reduction or elimination of existing condensation on your existing windows, and the elimination of UV light coming through your existing windows. The cost of our product comes in significantly less than the cost of traditional window replacement. In addition to the cost being significantly less, though, we do offer the benefit, though, of significantly less downtime and mess during the installation process.